Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update, but I actually didn't open up the SLP chart. So here we are, let's dive into the chart. Okay, so what is going on with SLP? Yesterday I talked about the kiss of death and I talked about the reversal wave to the downside, and so many people, there was a video that I did record for you, and I potentially might show you tomorrow which video that one really was. And yeah, most of these SOP updates, man, I don't know why, but 97% of this updates has been played out perfectly uh, from the top here, okay? Right, so you broke this level and this was a big support. You came to the downside, you move a little bit sideways, and then it's like a monthly downtrend never really broken, okay? So this is your monthly downtrend, okay? Yeah, on the short term frame, you're actually breaking the downtrend, but it was actually never been broken on a monthly. So if you look at it like this on a higher time frame, all you did is you still came up to this resistance. So it seems like we really need to break out for SLP on a monthly time frame, break it out, and then backtest and potentially move to the upside on a monthly, on a higher time frame. On a shorter time frame, though, this resistance used to be broken, but it seems on a monthly that it was only ending up to be just a wick to the upside. It was never something that we broke to the upside. Now it is what it is. The charts keep changing, and potentially you also have to reanalyze your trading strategy every time. So yesterday did I actually talk about this being your bottom and this being your top, and based on that one we laid down the fib retracement, and you can see this is still your technical target based on yesterday's video. And right now it's just a thin air to actually go down here. We were up here and I was telling you this one, okay, at the 876, and so far we came down to the 466, and you're just looking for 341. Bitcoin is looking to go to $25,000 as well. Watch the Bitcoin update. So that's it for SLP. No any fancy stories. Once we come down here, we're gonna talk about what's gonna happen next, and can it actually bounce a little bit to the upside or continue to down to the downside. I do still expect a little bit of a breathe here, maybe back up to 57. Okay, so this is a range that could actually be trading between 57 and 341. This is where SLP might stay or consolidate maybe for some few days before taking a real direction, maybe to the downside or to the upside. And that's it for today's update. If you've been following these updates and want to learn how to trade, do check out my trading course. The link is in the description of the video. And how can you go wrong with this course when I'm just telling you all of these things that you see on YouTube, and how true they're becoming. So the course is 18 hours long, 19 hours long of content. You're gonna enjoy every single detail about it. So play the video. YouTube video is out there. You're gonna see what you're about to learn. And to pay for 29 bucks and to get $20 off, message me on the Discord, and you're gonna get a promo code on the Discord. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.